Okay, welcome to another edition of Home Improvement by Rob. Here we go. We are replacing the screen. We already bought the screen, and what I did not record is ripping the old screen out. And it was really easy. There's a little rubber seal in there. Looks like this. You just rip that out, rip the screen out, and then you have your other one. Standard size is 36 by 84 inches. Me and my daughter, we rolled it across. You unscrew that, take that out. This just simply slides out like that. Done. Now, what we're going to do is lay this screen that we bought over it. Cut a little bit of the excess off. One thing you want to do when you're putting this screen on, you want to make sure it's straight. You don't want it crooked. You know, you don't want it going at an angle. You want to make sure it's straight. Now, we're just going to cut this much off so we can work on this. This right here, this tool is called a spliner, okay? I think it's about $8 at Home Depot. This is for rolling. This screen that I bought is a pet resistant screen. It's thick. Normal screens, a lot easier to spline, so I'm gonna have to probably just use the tip and jam it in there. But let's try the spliner, the actual roller wheel. So camera lady, get in here nice and close. You gotta push. You maintain some pressure and you roll it. Okay, make sure your cord is straight and you roll it like that. Normally on a thinner screen, it's so much easier. It takes like 3 seconds, you're done. But I'm gonna be very careful and jam this baby in there like that, because this is a thick screen so my dog doesn't rip it apart. Cutting this excess off, and look at that down here. I still got some bubble, so I'm just going to take that, just push it in. Oh, there's some more. Just going to push that in a little bit like that. Okay.
Use the flat head of the spliner and push this in.
What are you doing, Brooklyn?
Yes. We are screwing the handle back in, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
So it's all set. Put it in the tracks. Just like that.